how to switch country in India App Store. So if you want to change your country or your region in your App Store, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings at first. Go with your Apple account. Under your Apple account, you need to go with account settings. If you don't find your account settings, then you can directly go from your App Store. So tap on your App Store, go with your profile, which is on the top right, and then tap on your name, and it will take you to your account settings. Once you're here, you will have country and region section. Tap on it, and from here, if you want to change your country or your region to India, you need to simply search for India. Tap on India, and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom. Scroll down and go with agree, which is on the top right. After agreeing, now you need to just scroll down and you can go with your UPI ID, your billing address, your phone number, your first and last name. After adding your payment method, you can go with done, and your country or your region will be changed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.